So you've seen the photos and you've seen how ultra clear is it, right? Now let me welcome Malaysia's first 200 megapixel ultimate camera smartphone, the Xiaomi 12T Pro. And trust me guys, this is no ordinary camera. With a price tag starting from 2,699 ringgit, you get a Powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, 8GB or 12GB RAM, plus 256GB of storage. A massive 120W charger, 120Hz AMOLED display, and an ultra 200 megapixel main camera. First thing first, the outlook of the whole design is just one word: minimalist, classy, and premium looking. The HDR10 Plus 6.67-inch AMOLED dot display with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 480Hz touch sampling rate is just super nice for videos and gaming on it. And guys, you got to listen to its certified Harman-Kardon audio quality. Now, the main highlight of this smartphone, the 200 megapixel ultimate camera. This is not a gimmick guys. Look at this insane details here. When you zoom it in, especially when you compare it with the normal 50 megapixel camera, and here's the best part, you got to use the Xiaomi Pro Focus to let the AI cut out the 200 megapixel photo you just took into a few options for you to post on any platforms you want. This is all thanks to the insane details from the 200 megapixel camera. Of course, you got the motion tracking focus and eye tracking focus too, up to 8K video recordings. Other than that, you have an 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and a 20 megapixel selfie. Powered by a 5000 mAh battery, personally I think it's pretty good because it can last me a full day of usage with a single charge. But with the 120W hybrid charge here, all you need is just 19 minutes to get the juice out. So, are you up for the latest Xiaomi 12T Pro here? Let me know in the comments. And I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao!